Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you the difference between the different numbers on the coffee pods from L'OR. So they go from 1 to 13. So I've got them in 3 separate lots here. You have 1 to 6, and then you'll have 7 to 9, and then 10 to 13. I haven't got all the pods here. So basically the 1 to 6 would be milder coffees, so it would be a more subtle, sweeter flavour. In the 7 to 9 range, they're going to be more balanced. So they're going to be richer flavour with a medium to full body. And then on the higher ones here, between 10 and 13, they're going to indicate dark roasts. So you might find that they've got a more bitter flavour. So it's to do with coffee strength. It's got nothing to do with the amount of caffeine or anything like that. It's purely the strength of coffee. So if you like them very mild and sweet, you're going to be going for 1, 2, 3. If you like them very strong, bitter with a dark roast, you might be going for 12s and 13s. And if you have a look, you can see there's little numbers on each of them, and it doesn't matter if it's a smaller pod here or an extra large pod here, you can see that they all have a number on them. So if you weren't sure what it means now hopefully you will know, so you can get the ones that suit your taste of coffee. Thanks for watching.